Good morning. The boat's been sitting unused for a few weeks. Figured you and I'll fire it up together. So, cold start it, 162 hours, it's 78 degrees. Just wanted you to see that. So we'll do it one more time. Right there, 162 hours. The boat is 80 degrees, which means that outboard has now been started. You and I together, ice cold start. As usual, she fires up every time. Water pump pressure, alternator charging, RPMs. At idle, 0.3 gallons an hour. During general, when we're doing intercoastaling, which if you're over in Naples, you know, that general slow waterway cruising, she burns about 0.8 an hour. When you put her down, get up and go, you're running her at between 4 and 5,000, anywhere in that area. She runs between 6 and 8 gallons per hour of constant use.